friends, this is Max from Learn the Price Action. Today I'd like to clarify one of the important concepts that professional traders use. That's called price action. But there's a lot of confusion in the community and what exactly is price action. Price action is the study of the price states as they happen in the market without any indicators or any other technical fundamentals. What it means is that price is the study of price state. So we learn to read the price naked as to what is happening in the market without the help of indicators or other technical fundamentals, because what technical indicators or the technical fundamentals do, they simply tell same story what the prices tell on the market. Okay, so reading two things. Number one, we read the price state. What is the state of the price? Whether the price is bullish, bearish, it's holding, it's moving sideways, or it's consolidating, or price is just not moving, or it has a rejection, or whatever the different states of the prices. Okay, and second is its action. Is it holding steadily without movement? It has a strong rejection. Bears and bulls are in total control, or bears and bulls have opposite force, or whatever the case might be. So based on this information, price state, and what is the action, we determine what will happen in the market moving forward. So that is in essence what is price action. Okay, so different price states in the market. As I mentioned earlier, you can have a bullish or a bearish prices. You can have bullish, bearish prices with sharp or weak price rejection. You can have a price consolidation. You can have a false price movement. You can have an indecision on prices. You can have a price movement with either bulls or bears trapped in the market. And then you can have sudden bull or bears taking control of the market. And the last is either the price is overbought or oversold. Okay, so let's look at some of the examples using the chart and see how we could take an advantage of this using the price action on the daily charts. Okay, so as an example for price action, I want to take you to the daily chart back in November 2016 for Australian US dollar. Okay, September, October, November. Sorry, it's November 2016. But let's look at what is this. This is a big rejection. That means from here the price is simply fell. Okay, bulls tried right here, but they rejected the price. Okay, this rejection was so strong that it even breached this hammer on the bottom. Okay, so let's draw the levels and try to analyze what is happening moving forward in the market. Okay, I'm just gonna draw the level right here and right here. Okay, so these are the levels that we are interested in taking trades from. If any price action, that means price gives us clue that it wants to move in the short direction, if the price ever comes back to this area. So let's see how we could have taken advantage of this. As we can see, the price simply is falling. Over here, bulls trying. Over here, the bears tried. Okay, but would we take this trade? No, because this is not our level. Okay, the price pushed higher, and then look what happened here. Okay, pay attention to this. So price came in this area. So bulls tried right here, and then what happened? Price fell, but bulls tried. So, but the price came back in this region again. So for 2 days, for 1 and 2, for 2 days, the price was ranging within 4 or 5 pips. What does that mean to you as a trader? That means bulls are trying harder to push the market up, but the price has just not moved. It has only ranged within 3 or 4 pips for the past 2 days, like the opening and the closing price. Wow, what kind of indication is that? That means bulls are not able to push the prices higher, and this is exactly what happened here. Next day, bam, the prices moved down. You could have taken your short here and simply put your stop loss here, and you can just simply ride the market. Anyways, moving forward, so bulls again trying. We had tries, so you can see the bottom rejection. That means the bulls right here, this was the closing price, this is the closing price. Look at that. Is this closing price closer to this price? Yeah, so that means bulls are trying. They were able to push it higher, but they were not able to push that higher. They are top tails. That means bears are coming in power here. Okay, again, bottom price came down, it got rejected. Okay, the prices are back in the zone where it started 2 days ago. Prices fell, but bulls tried harder. Okay, right here. Okay, again, bears tried. Okay, prices are back where? In the zone. So imagine this. This is the state of the price for the past 5 days. Who's winning here? No one. There is an equal power here, guys. Okay, equal power. But we are watching. We are on the sideline. Over here, what happened now? Watch. The prices came back. Okay, this is interesting. Prices came back to this level. Yes, obviously we'll be interested in going long. We're waiting for a signal. But what happened after that? Over here, we had a complete control by the bears. Bulls were unable to push any further than this price. You had a beautiful doji. That is a clear signal for people to go short. You could have simply taken the break of this doji, put your stop loss on the high again, and you would have ride the market for you 2 or 3 times your profit right here. Okay, now let's move forward and see how the prices has come back. Okay, so over here, as you can see, the prices are moving higher. Yes, we want to be a seller here in this whole scheme of the things. We don't want to be a buyer because there is a huge push to sell. Prices move up, 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 up right here. Now let's see what happens here. Okay, so you have this bullish price with top tails. That means a little bit of rejections are coming. Interesting. We want to be a seller, right? Let's see what happens. Let's move forward. Excuse me. There you go. So the prices has come here. So the bulls are trying. Over here, as you can see, the bulls are trying. They push the price higher, yes, but this is an inside bar, okay? We want to short the pairs. So anytime you have a price breaking the low of this inside bar, we would want to short. Let's see what happens. Did that happen? Let's move forward. Okay, so over here, we had this doji. So that means a complete control of the prices by the bears and bulls. Bears were able to push the prices down here. And we are like, whoa, interesting. Let's go short. We'll take the break of this inside bar. We'll put our stop loss somewhere on the high of this doji. And then we will write the pair down, right? That's what everyone would do. But what happened here next day? Let's see. Sorry about that. Bulls completely took the prices. Okay, so bulls were able to clear the prices significantly. Look at the size of this candle. Okay, and then what happened on next day is that we had again bears coming. Bears push it down. Okay, we want to take a break off this mother bar to go short because this is a price action signal, right? But what happened on next day? Boom, bulls again took control of the market. If the prices would have broken this and closed below this, that was our indication to go short. But what happened on the next day is that bulls were able to complete and push the prices back in this zone. So at this point, do you want to be a seller here or you want to be a buyer? Yes, you want to be a buyer because the buyers are winning here, right? So let's see what happened on next day. Okay. Bears tried to push the market, but bulls rejected it and pushed the prices back in this zone. Okay, so because there is a longer tail on the bottom. So obviously the long tails on the bottom are indication that the prices are likely to go up. And also you look at the top tail and the bottom tail and look at this top tail and the bottom tail. I'm just comparing this price with this price right here. This is doji, okay, and this is a high wave candle. That means it's a highly volatile market with indecision, little bit of bullishness because it's supporting this candle to push up, but eventually it's not clear what is happening. Okay, so you want to be a bull here. There you go. So the price is pushed and cleared higher. So this shows that it is a bull market. Again, indecision. Bears are trying. Bears are not giving up. Price is pushed down right here and pushed back up. Once you have this signal, what do? You know it is a clear sign that you want to go long. And how do you want to go long? We'll wait for a good signal. Boom. So you have an inside bar. So anytime the price breaks the high of this bar, I'll put a stop loss somewhere around here, and then you can ride your market for at least 2 times your reward right here. Okay, so let's see how the market moves from here. Okay, it did move up from here, looks like, and it has broken the high. So over here the price has broken. Okay, and then over here you have another signal to go long. So you could have put your entry here, put your stop loss here, and then ride the market for at least 2 times your reward. And then you had a profit target hit at least after 2 or 3 days, as you can see right here. Market move up, 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 right there. So markets are back at this zone exactly where it all started. But it's losing steam. Okay, it's losing steam. So yes, our profits are hit because we understood what happened here. This was a signal to go long. We took the trade to go long, but we exited our trade somewhere around here. Yes, but now we probably don't want to be a buyer. So this is how you read the price action, guys. There is no need for you to use an indicator. You simply need to read the prices and also understand what is happening. Once you know how to read the prices, indicators will exactly tell you the same story, but it will confuse you more. Indicators is for people who don't know what they're doing. If you want to be a professional trader, learn how to read the prices, learn how to read the price, learn how to read the action behind it. Anyways, come check us out. If you like my stuff, come check us out on my website at learnthepriceaction.com. And you will have some free strategies to go through. You will have a lot of important stuff which will help you grow as a trader. I have some strategies. We do our weekly reviews. Come check us out, guys. And I'm pretty sure that you'll not be disappointed. Thank you for watching, and I hope your price action techniques improve by watching this. It's not only reading the market, there are signals, and how do you trade those signals? There are tweaked entries, there are stop loss placements, all these things are there. But the major important thing is to be on the sideline and just simply read the market. What is it telling you? Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you like my channel. Subscribe to it and give me a thumbs up if you do.